share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe.
The number one way to control unwanted sympathetic snare resonance in your recordings and your live performances is centered, leveled, and balanced snares. If you haven't seen my video on how to install a level and center and balanced snares, check it out. Talks all about it. But in this case, I just want to make sure you understand, you want them centered so they're not too far one way or another close to the beat. You want them even so there isn't too much pull on one side or the other, allowing a snare to just rattle loosely. And most importantly, you want them level so when you actually look through the drum, they're nice and level, pulling evenly, going up and down evenly. Another thing you want to do is make sure that you tune your snare drum. Balanced heads with equal tension or pretty close to equal tension maximize the amount of tone and therefore reduce the amount of actual sympathetic snare resonance you would get by reducing the amount of unwanted frequencies that could fire one little part of that snare wire in a way you don't want it fired. All right. The second way you can control unwanted sympathetic resonance from your snare is tom tuning intervals. Having evenly tuned toms can sometimes create excessive resonance between the drums. So by using the bottom head to tighten it up or bring it down in accordance, you can reduce the amount of snare buzz that you get simply from striking the drum. Also, tuning well around the snare to where the drums are not at the same tuning pitch can do wonders for controlling unwanted sympathetic snare resonance. Another way to control unwanted sympathetic snare resonance that I like to use is cotton balls in your toms. If you haven't seen my video, Soft Fuzzy Balls, it says it all. These soft fuzzy balls help keep floor tom heads from resonating unwantedly while the microphones are picking them up. So as you play the kit, no floor tom hum. Another way to control unwanted sympathetic resonance is muffling like moon gel. Yes, I said it, moon gel. Moon gel isn't just to control toms that people don't know how to tune. It's actually to control the tones or sculpt the tones that you want to put into the microphone. Too much snare resonance going on, a little control on the snare, and sometimes on the tom can clear that up just like that. And you get sweet, succulent tom sounds. Solid.
Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Like,